Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people, but what exactly is it? How does it change our body? And most importantly, how can you manage it? Whether you've been diagnosed or you're simply curious, this video is packed with essential information and tips to help you understand diabetes in every detail. Let's dive in. At its core, diabetes is a disease that affects how your body processes blood sugar. When your body either can't produce enough insulin or can't use it properly, blood sugar levels rise, leading to potential health complications. But did you know there are different types of diabetes? Today we're breaking them down: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes, and showing you how each one impacts your life. Type 1 diabetes is often diagnosed in childhood or young adulthood. In this form of diabetes, the body's immune system attacks and destroys the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. Without insulin, blood sugar levels can rise rapidly. The key thing to remember? People with type 1 diabetes need to inject insulin for the rest of their lives to keep their blood sugar in check. Living with type 1 diabetes requires constant attention to your blood sugar levels. It's not just about injections, it's about balancing diet, exercise, and stress levels. For example, did you know that stress can spike blood sugar levels, or that different foods affect blood sugar in different ways? Staying educated and proactive is key to managing type 1 diabetes effectively. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, usually develops later in life, and it's much more common. With type 2, your body either resists insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. The result is high blood sugar. But here's the good news. Type 2 diabetes can often be managed, and in some cases even reversed, with lifestyle changes, especially when it comes to diet and exercise. Let's talk prevention for a second. The risk factors for type 2 diabetes include obesity, physical inactivity, and a family history of diabetes. But if you catch it early, making small sustainable changes, like losing a bit of weight, exercising regularly, and reducing sugar intake, can make a huge difference in managing your health and lowering your risk. Now let's look at gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy. It happens when the body can't produce enough insulin to meet the increased demands during pregnancy. While it's temporary, it can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes later in life, both for the mother and the child, so managing blood sugar during pregnancy is crucial. Gestational diabetes can usually be managed through a healthy diet, exercise, and sometimes medication. Doctors will often monitor your blood sugar levels closely. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to keep both your blood sugar and your baby's health in check. After childbirth, most women's blood sugar levels return to normal, but regular checkups are still necessary. Whether you're dealing with type 1, type 2, or gestational diabetes, there are some common signs and symptoms to watch for: excessive thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, and unexplained weight loss. If you notice these symptoms, it's important to get checked by a healthcare professional. Speaking of managing diabetes, diet and exercise play a huge role. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fiber, whole grains, and healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels, and regular exercise helps improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. Together, they form the backbone of any diabetes management plan. Don't overlook the impact of stress and sleep on diabetes. High stress levels can spike blood sugar, and poor sleep can affect how your body responds to insulin. So, if you're stressed or not sleeping well, it could be a game changer for your diabetes management. To wrap it up, diabetes is a complex condition, but with the right information and approach, it's possible to live a healthy life. Stay informed, monitor your blood sugar, make healthy lifestyle choices, and don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your health, and remember, knowledge is power.